Hello everyone. In this video we will cover some of the famous Indian cities and their nicknames. So let's get started. If you have not subscribed to our channel Quiz Kids yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notification. Which city is called as City of Seven Islands? Here are the options: Mumbai, Chennai, Vizag or Goa. Answer is Mumbai. It's believed that Mumbai city consists of the islands of Bombay, Colaba, Old Women's Island, Majgaon, Parel, Worli and Mahim. Mumbai is also known as financial capital of India, gateway of India and of course Bollywood. Which city is called as City of Prime Ministers? Here are the options: Mumbai, Delhi, Lucknow or Allahabad. Correct answer is Allahabad. Allahabad is known as City of Prime Ministers due to its connection with at least 7 Prime Ministers: Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Gulzarilal Nanda, V.P. Singh and Chandrasekhar. Allahabad is also known as Prayagraj. Which city is called as spiritual capital of India? Here are the options: Ayodhya, Varanasi, Lucknow or Allahabad. Correct answer is Varanasi. Varanasi is the oldest living city in the world. It's also called as City of Lights as this city is known for knowledge and learning. Old name of Varanasi was Banaras and earlier it was known as Kasi. Which city is called as the Pink City of India? Options are Lucknow, Surat, Jaipur or Udaipur. Correct answer is Jaipur. Jaipur is known as Pink City due to the dominant pink color scheme of its buildings. Which city is called as Blue City of India? Options are Kolkata, Dehradun, Jodhpur or Goa. Correct answer is Jodhpur. Buildings in Old Town area of Jodhpur are painted mostly in blue colors. That's why it's called as Blue City. Which city of India is called as City of Lakes? Here are the options: Nagpur, Pune, Bhubaneswar or Udaipur. Correct answer is Udaipur. Udaipur is called as City of Lakes due to its natural lake system. Bhopal is also called as City of Lakes by some people. Which Indian city is called as Leather City of the World? Here are the options: Nagpur, Kanpur, Surat or Delhi. Correct answer is Kanpur. Kanpur contains some of the largest and finest tanneries in the world. Which city is called as Diamond City of India? Here are the options: Nagpur, Kanpur, Surat or Nasik. Right answer is Surat. Surat is known as Diamond City as it handles 90% of world's rough diamond cutting and polishing. Which city is called as Rome of East? Here are the options: Kolkata, Shillong, Guwahati or Mangalore. Correct answer is Mangalore. Mangalore is famous for its architecture and churches. That's why it's called as Rome of East. Which city is called as Manchester of India? Options are Chennai, Bhopal, Ahmedabad or Hyderabad. Correct answer is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is called as Manchester of India because of its similarities with Cotton Textile Center of Manchester. Which city is called as Garden City of India? Options are Mysore, Mumbai, Bengaluru or Hyderabad. Correct answer is Bengaluru. Bengaluru is nicknamed as Garden City for its gardens and parks. It was once called as Pensioners' Paradise. Which city is called as Land of Lychees? Here are the options: Patna, Muzaffarpur, Lucknow or Gorakhpur. Correct answer is Muzaffarpur. Muzaffarpur is famous for its Shahi lychees. Which city is called as Sandalwood City? Here are the options: Mangalore, Bengaluru, Mysore or Madurai. Correct answer is Mysore. Mysore is nicknamed as Sandalwood City because of its thriving cottage industries related to sandalwood. Which city is called as City of Pearls? Options are Mangalore, Hyderabad, Mysore or Madurai. Correct answer is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is called City of Pearls in India due to its pearl processing and trading industry. Which city is called as Wine Capital of India? Here are the options: Nagpur, Simla, Mysore or Nasik. Correct answer is Nasik. Nasik is known as Wine Capital of India due to its grape production and wineries. More than 60% of Indian wine is produced from Nasik. Which city is called as Temple City of India? Here are the options: Bhubaneswar, Madurai, Hampi or Ayodhya. Correct answer is Bhubaneswar. More than 700 ancient temples are there in Bhubaneswar. That's why Bhubaneswar is called as Temple City of India. Which city is called as Orange City of India? Here are the options: Faridabad, Kanpur, Nasik or Nagpur. Correct answer is Nagpur. Nagpur is a major trade center of oranges cultivated in this region. Hence, it is called as Orange City. Which Indian city is called as City of Destiny? Here are the options: Kollam, Visakhapatnam, Pondicherry or Madurai. Correct answer is Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam or Vizag is called as City of Destiny because of its landscaping view and attractive beaches. Which Indian city is called as City of Sages? Here are the options: Varanasi, Rishikesh, Gaya or Vrindavan. Correct answer is Rishikesh. Which city is called as Paris of East? Here are the options: Kollam, Visakhapatnam, Pondicherry or Madurai. Due to its French tradition and culture, Pondicherry is called as Paris of East. Which Indian city is called as Banana City? Here are the options: Nasik, Nagpur, Gorakhpur or Jalgaon. Correct answer is Jalgaon. Jalgaon is called as Banana City due to its huge banana production in Jalgaon district. Which Indian city is called as Silver City? Here are the options: Mumbai, Cuttack, Pondicherry or Lucknow. Correct answer is Cuttack. Cuttack is famous for its silver filigree works. Which Indian city is called as Golden City? Here are the options: Mumbai, Kochi, Bengaluru or Amritsar. Answer is Amritsar. Amritsar is known as Golden City for its Golden Temple. Jaisalmer is also called as Golden City as the city stands on a ridge of yellowish sandstones. Which Indian city is called as Gateway of South? Here are the options: Trivandrum, Kochi, Chennai or Bengaluru. Correct answer is Chennai. Which city is called as Steel City of India? Options are Bokaro, Jamshedpur, Rourkela or Ranchi. Answer is Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur is known as Steel City of India because India's first steel plant was set up in this city by Tata. Which city is called as Manchester of South India? Here are the options: Coimbatore, Madurai, Kanchipuram or Kochi. Correct answer is Coimbatore. Which city is called as cashew capital of the world? Options are Coimbatore, Kollam, Kanchipuram or Visakhapatnam. Answer is Kollam. Kollam city is major hub of processed cashew export. Which city is called as gold capital of India? Here are the options: Thrissur, Golconda, Kanchipuram or Mysore. Correct answer is Thrissur. 30% of India's gold jewelry is crafted in Thrissur. That's why Thrissur is called as gold capital of India. Which city is called as land of black diamond? Here are the options: Bokaro, Asansol, Ranchi or Dhanbad. Correct answer is Asansol. Asansol is known as City of Black Diamonds due to its coal trades. Dhanbad is known as City of Mines and Coal Capital of India. Which city is called as Scotland of India? Here are the options: Simla, Ooty, Munnar, Coorg. Correct answer is Coorg. Shillong is called as Scotland of East. Which city is called as Deccan Queen? Here are the options: Mumbai, Pune, Khandala or Lavasa. Correct answer is Pune. Pune is the cultural capital of Marathas. Due to its social, cultural and political importance and the beautiful surrounding, it's called as Deccan Queen. Which city is called as school capital of India? Here are the options: Simla, Gwalior, Dehradun or Manali. Answer is Dehradun. Dehradun is home to many famous residential schools such as Doon School, Welham Girls School, Kasiga School, etc. Which city is called as Athens of East? Here are the options: Madurai, Kochi, Coimbatore or Chennai. Correct answer is Madurai. Madurai is famous for its beautiful temples. Madurai is also called as City of Festivals. Which city is called as Sun City? Here are the options: Itanagar, Jodhpur, Rameswaram or Jabalpur. Correct answer is Jodhpur. Jodhpur has another nickname. We have discussed it earlier. Can you remember what's its other name? Please respond in the comment section below. Which city is called as Sports Capital of India? Here are the options: Mumbai, Delhi, Bhubaneswar or Chandigarh. Correct answer is Bhubaneswar. Due to state government focus on sports, Bhubaneswar has hosted Hockey World Cup and many football international matches. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kids and press the bell icon for notification.